Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, today I'm just going to have a quick look at this beautiful beast on this beefy boy. Looks like I got a little bit of a leak right here. Got to figure out where it's coming from. Oh, sorry. But yeah, either out of here, I don't know. Hard to tell. Hard to tell. So, a couple of things I'm going to do today. I'm going to take off this cover. I dislike it because when you're going into the grass, all this stuff folds over the grass before it cuts it, which, I mean, I'd rather have the grass stand up straight and get cut than being folded down and getting cut. I know it's a safety thing, but a lot of mowers don't have this, so, I mean, I'd rather just kind of shoot it into there and have the blade a little exposed. It also allows me a little bit of access to the blades, so I can maybe dress up the edge a little bit. But as you can see, there's the unused edge, and here's the used edge. I mean, you see how it is beveled up a little bit from all the rocks I hit, but my God, this is really doing good compared to what I've been thinking it would do. But I mean, this thing, jeez, takes a beating. Also, if I got these, the carbide teeth that they had an option for, they'd be long gone. I mean, there was a little support right here that was out to maybe about there, totally ground down already. They would have broken off. But also, I should not get under this thing without supporting it, so I'm not doing that. Yeah, I mean, let's see, this is maybe 20 or 30 hours or more, or 20, something like that, 30 hours on this thing, and so far it's holding up good. We'll see how long it takes for other stuff to happen, but yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to take off also this skid all the way down there and make sure it's all, clean and bolt it back up and see how I want to do that. These guys, I don't know if I can show it with the camera, but it's really bad access in there for any kind of anything. And it comes with a button head bolt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put a regular hex head on there. Regular hex that I can tighten from the outside and the inside, so I can just hold the inside. Because the skid is right here. This doesn't matter. So, but you can see how thin the skid is wearing already. I mean, I do back drag a lot, as you guys can see. So my plan is to, remedy this with a skosh of this. So I got this thick half-inch plate. I'm gonna have to get more, but I think I might just weld that onto the skid shoe there. Go with that for longevity and hard face it. Of course, that's a whole other ball of wax that I don't want to do right this second. So we'll see how we do about that. All right, let me get this thing supported and work on it and go from there. All right. Alrighty. So let's take this guy off. Do this fit. All right. Of course, gear wrenches always fat. So unfortunate. Okay, I'll get that out later. All right. get the big persuader there. Well, that's a heavy, chunky boy. Alrighty. Alright, well, we got this little bar yet to take care of. Look what I found here. My goodness. That is a rock. Jeez. Unbelievable. Thank God I'm starting a collection of rocks. Boy, oh boy. Man, look at all that stuff that's caught under there. Holy crap. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how you spread weeds. All right, let me get that cleaned up and show it to you. Let's clean it up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you see, now the blades are exposed a little bit, and I could dress them up, sharpen them a little bit so they're easily accessible without this huge plate in the way. Now when grass comes in, it'll get cut before it folds over. Also, I mean, there's all kinds of garbage just ramrodded under here, and I mean, you can't ever clean it out, which for me is very unfortunate. And I mean, it would cause rust and all that junk. I mean, come on now. Unbelievable. Yeah, I don't think this plate is worth it. It all depends on what you're doing with it. So let me just vacuum up the rest of this crap here and go from there. All right, so this is what we took off. Danger, don't be a stupid. So yeah, this guy kind of goes on there like that. This goes to the mower. Wow, can't even see anything. All right, this goes to here. This goes to the mower deck that I took off. It folds up. Looks a little cleaner, I think. I like it a lot better. But this guy is like over 100 pounds. I mean, it's not light, so I don't know where I'm going to store it. But yeah, freer mowing days are ahead, I guess. So I got this guy cleaned off. The reason I clean it off is because I do not want any seeds being spread to project or back to my farm. Also clean this thing a little bit. I got to do a bigger cleanup because we got cow shit all over the place. But the other thing I'm happy to report, let me walk up on the tracks here. The other thing is, these rubber pieces really work well. So there was a little bit of stuff here. I mean, it still got into that point and that point a little bit, but I mean, these twigs, which was what I was trying to keep out, you know, look at this thing. What is this? That ain't edible. All right, but yeah, it kept that crap out, so I'm really happy about that. This kind of does work. Keeps out 90% of the stuff. All right, let's go on the mower deck here, walk around. Throw that away. So yeah, that's all the crap. All the other stuff's in the vacuum, in a bag. Yeah, so let me see if I can lift this thing up and work on it and see if I can get it safe. That's the name of the game. Safe, safe, safe. All right. All right, as you can see, I got it locked. Ain't going anywhere. Those cylinders are in a full down position. As you can see, those locking things are in place. And I believe this is the safest way to hold this mower up while working on it for these guys to get under it. So everything is locked, double checked, triple checked. And I mean, I don't trust this mower deck when it's flat and on jack stands. The jack stands can move around and can fall. This, everything is locked out. It's secure. This thing weighs 2,000 pounds. If this thing comes down, oh, fuck. Other thing you gotta watch is these blades. They do swing. And let me fold this guy down here so it can not chop my fingers off. So everything is down, that sucker's folded, that's folded, 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 or straight, ain't gonna move. So secure yourself, triple check stuff, don't get yourself in a pinch. All right, okay, so yeah, let's get this guy off, clean underneath and put it back on, and then get a, you know, course of action for repairing, replacing, and look at that. Wow. That sucker's almost gone. So yeah, this, oof. All right, well, I might have to go to town and grab some stuff. All right, catch you later. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you this little bolt right there is like a bolt such as this. Round head, square notch, carriage bolt, right, whatever those are. Maybe somebody can give me the exact right term, but I know what they are, I know what they're used for. So it's this size, and of course, this guy is like practically worn flat. That sucker won't last long. But in the corner here, I mean, look at that. How do you, I mean, I can't even, the socket, the top, the 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock position there, I mean, it's almost, you can't get anything in there, not even a wrench or nothing. I mean, excuse me. So that one is going to be a regular hex bolt and nut because that's on the surface. That hits nothing. But these guys, wow, that guy's just like gone. So yeah, trip into town. I took this one off. This one's just held by that one. I'll take that one off later or now or whenever. But yeah, sweating again. Hot Hawaii. All right. Catch you on the flip side, and we'll see how we proceed. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, due to the power of editing, I was able to get nuts and bolts, carriage bolts, and lock washers, and the like. So, another thing I noticed with this thing up like this, I don't know if you guys can tell, but got a couple of bumpties there. Impact from stones. That is some thick stuff, but geez. All right, well, let me get this rail the rest of the way off, and then we'll see how it looks underneath. All right, let's see if I don't kill myself first here. As you can see, there's practically nothing left of that guy. So this is what I got. A nice replacement compared to, geez, I mean, wowza. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, got some crap piling up under here because it was, loose. Also right here, I'm gonna go clean that off. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, so got that all cleaned off. What I'm gonna do is I got that cleaned off, and I'm gonna use fluid film. Gonna do a nice little coat. Yep, got a little more to do there. Wherever. Tools. Tools. A little more to do. Let's not sit on the can and squirt. Alright, so did that. Nice liberal coating of goodness. Of course, I never point the camera where it should go. Alright, well, I think that is protected. Alright, let's go do that thing. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so I got the new carriage bolts in there, carriage bolt there. It's a little squiggly smoochy, but that's okay. And then on over here, it's so hard to see, you can't even see it. So on this side, I just put bolt with a washer because that doesn't impact so much. I'm not worried about it sliding. Way easier to install. So I'm just going to do the other side, and I'll see you back. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we got new carriage bolts here, and here with the appropriate coating of fluid film. I know you guys can't see in there. Also, you guys got that regular bolt right there. Yeah, so, boy, those heads are worn down. My goodness. I wonder how this is all gonna do in the future. Might have to put some hard facing just on the leading edge here. See how I can do that. All right, well, maybe I'll talk to the manufacturer or Bradco or something, just to minimize. Alrighty, so we got that. Another thing I kind of want to do is this edge right here. I kind of want to put some other thickness to protect, or maybe hard face it. Maybe I'll turn this whole thing upside down one day and just go for it. All right, so that concludes that. Now you can see the front shield is off. It's right over there. Shop inspector is sleeping right over there. All right, so sweating like a pig again. I know pigs don't sweat. Just got it taken care of before the next job. I like to do that so I don't procrastinate because I'm bad at it. Or I'm good at procrastinating, bad at getting stuff done. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching. Simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alrighty, I'll see you guys on the next one. Aloha.